Welcome back to the channel. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be taking all the suspension pieces, so like the front wishbones, coils and all the other pieces, and getting rid of all the rust on them. I'm going to go ahead and treat the rust with the rust converter I have and paint it. I got all the pieces grinded down, all the pieces, so there's no flaky bits of rust again on any of these pieces. So what I'm going to do now is prep them for paint. So I'm just going to be using this Nutri-Rust stuff again, like I used in all the other pieces I've been doing. It seems to work well, so I'm just going to keep using it. So I'm just going to put it in a little bowl and then paint it all on these pieces. We should convert the rust into a nice primer black, and then I'll be able to paint over that then without rust then trying to come through. So it should it will keep it nicer for longer. Painting up all the pieces, so they're just drying now, so it takes about say 24 hours, so about a day to completely dry up. See, it still hasn't dried there, but it's dried up a lot here, but still got a good bit to go. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm actually going to get this this here axle. It's actually got a torn boot, so I've got a new boot here. So I've got a new boot here to replace this one. You can see it's just completely ripped off there, so I'm going to go ahead and get that replaced. So what I've got to do, cut these metal pieces off, or the clips, and then this clip, and then I'll just rip this the rubber off, knock it off, and it will just come off because there's a little clip on the inside. It should come off then easily. So it's not that too hard to replace, so I'm just going to go ahead and So I finished painting everything. Everything's dried up except for a few things which I thought there's a CV one I painted, the new CV boot. So I've put the treatment on that, so that's still drying, as well as the shifter. So while we wait for them to dry, I will just start painting all the other ones that have dried. So all these arms have dried, anti-roll bar dried, and all these pieces have dried up. So I'm just going to start putting on this chassis paint on it. Finished up painting all the front suspension pieces except for two things, which are the axle, still waiting for that to dry, as well as the shifter. Also I'm waiting for these two pieces to dry so then I can flip them over, because I have nowhere to hang them, so I can flip them over and paint the other side. But the rest is actually all done, so looks a lot better than it was. Should clean it up nicely. So while I'm waiting for that tool to dry, I'm going to go over to here, and I had already coated this stuff. I'd already coated this with the chassis paint, but I haven't put the rubberized under seal on it yet, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to get the under seal that I did over, the same thing I did in the rears, and I'm going to coat it with all there, all on in the arch piece, not this part, just wherever the water's going to be splashed, because that would help protect even more instead of just having the chassis paint. So I'm going to do this side and the other side as well, and I'm going to go ahead and do that while I'm waiting for those pieces to dry, so then I can put them all back onto the car. Got everything painted now, all the suspension pieces. So what I'm going to do now is put them all back onto the car. Once we get everything all back on, we can start fixing up the calipers that were seized, and we'll put it all back on then. But I'm going to go ahead and start putting all these pieces back on. almost finished up on this side as well. I've also got the other side. Let me show you. The other side done too. It's all bolted up. I still have the anti-roll bar to put on, which I had drilled new holes in, so for the brackets. So I'm going to be putting this on now, as well as putting on some new bolts for it, because the other one snapped. So these nice stainless steel ones will help a lot, make it a lot cleaner looking. No rusty old bolts going on, so we're gonna go ahead and stick these on. So got the whole front suspension back in place now. It's all restored. It's all been rebuilt and put back into place, and I'll show you that. As you can see, so it was all back together, except for the brake system. So there's no discs or calipers, because I've got new discs and pads, as well as a rebuild kit for the brake calipers, should I say. So I'm going to be rebuilding these because they weren't doing much. The boot was ripped. Same for the other one. This one is worse. So that's what I'll be doing in the next video, as well as getting new discs ready to be put back on. And the brakes will then be nice and strong and working, so it should be good to go there. That's what I'm going to be doing for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.